back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo cooking show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen. Anyway, today we did the jerk chicken and it's just fantastic. It's amazing. Couldn't get to go outside. Outside is very cold, so we did it inside of the oven perfectly. And I'm basically I just want to share it with my fans. I mean, no one a day this is Chef Ricardo drop up some jerk chicken or something. You know what I mean? Cause every day, you know, some new person might sign up or just subscribe or leave in the comments, asking questions and all these things. So we have to do things to fill the gap with some of the fans. Anyway, we want to say thank you so much for watching the show. Give me a like and subscribe to the channel. And thank you for every one of your comments. It is amazing. Thank you for your support and for your time watching my video. So anyway, I want to say to you guys, remember, tune in. We got a lot more ideas coming. And follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. We are there for you. One love from Chef Ricardo and the team. And enjoy your Sunday evening dinner. Nice and lovely. Welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo. Well, basically remember yesterday we marinated some jerk chicken. 24 hours ago we marinated some jerk chicken and we said we're going to do it for Sunday dinner also. So basically I just removed it from a container and I'm gonna show you exactly. I have it in my fridge, really soak and marinated. You can smell the beautifulness of the chicken. First of all, I want to say I have a piece of newspaper paper inside of a tin sheet right here, tray right here, like this. And now what I'm going to do is put my chicken, I'm going to be laying the chicken inside of it. Just like this. Like this. As you can see, the way all the chicken looking so lovely and nice. And I know you guys are gonna be loving this one. This one is the home jerk chicken because it is winter. You can't go outside and do barbecue now. It's very, very cold at the moment. And all of those sauce, what we're gonna do, we're gonna do simple. That's the onion and everything. We're just gonna pour it on top of it like that. And then basically, I'm gonna explain to you now what we're gonna do next. What we're going to do next is preheat the oven for about 10 minutes before you put it in. Alright, that's one of the main things what you want to do. That's looking lovely and nice. So as you can see exactly what I'm talking about when I said we're going to do some oven jerk chicken. But the first thing what you need to do is to marinate it and get it soaked. So this been soaking from Friday. We marinate this chicken from Friday. So Friday, Saturday, Sunday, you're looking at least 24 hours, almost 48 hours. So you're getting a lot of soak. The chicken is really soaked. So that's what you want to do. You want to marinate the chicken for a good period of time. You know what I mean? That's you can get to soak, put it in a container and seal it and just put it in your fridge. You don't need to put it in the freezer if you're gonna cook it in 2 days time or 3 days time. Alright? So now what we're going to do, we're going to put this chicken in the oven and we're going to bake this for 35 to 30 minutes to 35 minutes and gas mark 8 or 9. If you're using like electric oven, please put it on 165 or 175, 30 minutes to 35 in the oven. Get a perfect color, perfect look. And the chicken gonna be coming out really lovely, tasty and nice. So enjoy the recipe as we put the chicken in the oven. This chicken can serve with rice and peas, plain rice, roast potato, whatever you like to serve it with, you can serve it with it, guys. So it's gonna be amazing jerk chicken recipe from Chef Ricardo for your Sunday dinner. Enjoy it. jerk chicken from the oven. As you can see, it looking fantastic and amazing. So thank you so much for tuning in and watch my show. We got a lot more ideas and recipe. What we're going to do now is plate it up and make you see the way it look on the plate, guys. Thank you so much, and hopefully we can come with better in the future. And as you can see, wholesome jerk chicken from Chef Ricardo. Nice and lovely, guys. So that's the jerk chicken, just plate it up, and as you can see, it looking totally different, fantastic. So hopefully you will enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel. Got a lot more ideas and recipe coming your way. Thank you so much to tune in and watch my show. You might hear that sound in the background because of the window which I just opened, but that's fine. Still can do the shooting the same way. But look at that, guys, just amazing. Thank you so much for tuning in and watch my show. Got a lot more ideas, and that's the jerk chicken for your Sunday dinner.